changed a bit in 20 years. Or I guess I should say it won't change a bit in 20 years.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't see Mom anywhere, do you?
No, I don't.
Prue.
Mom.
She's so beautiful. I don't remember her working here.
Yeah, well, you know, after Dad was gone, she had to do whatever she could to pay the bills. I remember I would wake up late at night and I would hear her coming home from work. She would sneak into my room and kiss me goodnight. She smelled like burgers.
You're really lucky, you know. You have a lot more memories than I do.
Yeah, well, at least you have some. Poor Phoebe, she's got nothing.
Oh God, here she comes. What do we do if she recognizes us?
You freeze the place, and when she sees that we don't freeze, then she'll believe us when we tell her who we are. And if she needs more convincing, I'll move something in front of her.